Going downtown, going down.
Patch at the crack of noon, there's a rumble in the soil. Hear the carrots swoon. Big-bellied orange with a shine too smug, rolling like thunder, full of vitamin seeds in his pocket, pump in his grill. Everything around
About to be kid.
he waddles with purpose, supreme and swollen, tugging in peels like the truth's been stolen. Says bow to the right, bow to the hill. Soon every fruit's gonna look like you. No, rolling down the cornrows, terrorized, bouncing through the fields just to hypnotize. Juice on his lips with a citrus degree. You ain't nothing till you're orange just like me. Oh no. Vitamin tyranny. Oh yes. Acid dreams in the soil we see. First come the lemon, sour but scared, yellow-bellied whisper, maybe he's prepared. He says, stick with me, we'll rule the sun. You'll be less bitter when the job is done. So the lemons allude with a pucker inside. Trade their sharp edge for a corporate lie. Then the lime sliding, green with doubt, but the orange's belly keeps wearing them out. Citrus is destiny, circles unite. No apples, no berries, only rind tonight. They form a gang with a glowing glare, rolling in packs through the farmland air. Rolling down the cornrows to terrorize, bouncing through the fields just to hypnotize. Rhymes clicking rhythm like a marching band, shaking the dirt with their purpose plans. Oh my, citric monopoly. Oh why does it taste like prophecy? Broccoli's hiding behind the shed, tomatoes screaming he's gone to his head. Grapes in a panic, pears in a prayer, bananas slipping out of existential despair. And the orange says, this ain't bullying, baby, this is juiced energy. Comes fate with opposable thumbs and a shopping crate. A human descends with a bored expression and a sudden interest in liquid oppression. Now he's rolling through the kitchen to pasteurize. No more fields left to hypnotize. Lemon squash screams, limeade cries. Orange juice bubbles, no alibi. Oh snap! Made a citric destiny. Revenge is served cold at 4 degrees. Fields in the compost, dreams reduced. All tyrants end up freshly juiced.